In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use regular expressions in Google Docs' Find and Replace feature to accurately change pronouns or other words. This skill can be particularly useful if you ever find yourself needing to adjust the language in a document with precision. So let's dive right into the process. One common issue many encounter when using the standard Find and Replace feature, which you access by pressing Command plus F on a Mac or Control F on Windows and then clicking the three dots to see more options, is its blunt instrument approach. Imagine trying to replace the word he with they, only to realize that every he in words like thee or there also gets changed. Instead of solving a problem, you've now inadvertently created new ones. This is where the power of regular expressions, or Regex, comes into play, offering a much-needed precision tool for our digital toolbox. Begin by opening the Find bar, as we mentioned earlier. Once there, you'll want to enable regular expressions. Click the three dots to expand the Find and Replace options, and look for the checkbox that says Match using regular expressions. Checking this box is crucial as it activates the Regex functionality that allows for more advanced search criteria. Next, let's build a regular expression that recognizes word boundaries. To ensure we only find the specific word he, rather than instances of he within other words, we need the syntax for a word boundary, which is represented by *bad. In the Find field, you'll enter *he, she, a, beeb. Here *me marks the boundaries of a word, and he is the specific word we're targeting. In the Replace With field, type they. The rewarding part comes next. Go ahead and click Replace All. You'll find that only standalone occurrences of he have been replaced by they, while words like thee remain untouched. That's one part of the task. Now, let's address case sensitivity, as the regular expression be he only finds instances of lowercase he. To account for he, especially if it appears at the start of a sentence, we need to run the Find and Replace function another time. This time, enter B-H-E-B in the Find field. Depending on your preferred capitalization, in the Replace With field, enter they or they. Click Replace All again, and now both he and he are correctly replaced, maintaining the integrity of your document's grammar and style. And there you have it. With just these few steps and an understanding of regular expressions, you can make seamless adjustments to the words and pronouns in your Google Docs with ease. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other uses for Regex in your document editing adventures.